Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add monday.com to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages and some tips. From here, we just have to go into a channel and then tap on Connect Apps. And then in this section, you can just scroll down, and under the working from home section, we find monday.com. You can just tap on this, and after it has loaded, we can just tap on the Add to Slack button, and it's going to be added to our workspace. Thereby we can use it with our colleagues, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.